Hello everyone, welcome to series of Theory of Computations. In this video, we will discuss Chomsky normal form. Any grammar without epsilon production is said to be in CNF if the grammar has the production of the form A gives A or B gives BC, where A, B, C are non-terminals and A is the terminal symbol. So if any grammar having these two kinds of productions are there, then we call it as a grammar with CNF, that is Chomsky normal form. For example, here A gives A, B gives CD, B gives C, or D gives AC. All these productions are of the form A tends to A or B tends to BC. That's why we call this grammar as a Chomsky normal form. Now we will discuss how to convert given grammar into CNF. So we are provided with this grammar. So we have to bring all these productions in this format. That is A tends to A or B tends to BC. So initially S gives BA. This can be replaced as S gives BA. Why is it so? Because we have the production B gives B, that is since B gives B. So this replacement is possible here. So one rule we have generated in this format. Then again another production we have S gives A B. So here we can write it as S gives A B, because we have this rule A gives A. Capital A gives small a, that is capital A gives small a. So this first production is already we have bring it in this format, B gives BC. Now we will discuss how to bring this second production, A gives B A. We can write this as A gives B A, because we have a rule B gives B. Using this rule we can replace this small b with capital B. Now we can replace this with B R1, and what this R1 indicates, R1 gives AA. Okay, so we have the symbols now. S gives BA, then S gives AB, then A gives BR1 and R1 gives AA. Now we will see this AS. Again this AS can be replaced with A gives capital AS, because S A gives A. We have the production like A gives A, and this A gives small a, which is already there in the given production, and it is in this format. Now next is we have B gives ABB. So this A will be replaced with capital A, BB, because we have the rule A gives A. Now this again replaced with A R2. Since R2 we can say that R2 equal to BB, and we can add that rule R2 gives BB. So we can write it as B gives A R2 and R2 gives BB, and then next this BS we can write it as B gives capital BS, and because we have a rule B gives B, and finally we have B gives small b, because this is already there in the given grammar. So this is how you have to generate the CNF, that is called Chomsky normal form, for the given grammar. Just you have to remember this 2 points, that is grammar should be in this form and there should not be null symbol in the given grammar. If there is a null symbol, you have to remove the null symbol first, and then you have to apply the rules so that the grammar will be in this format, A tends to A or B tends to BC, where A, B, C are the non-terminals and A is the terminal symbol. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel to see more videos on this topic.